Hi, I'm Brock. Are you ready to move up to a brand new home with all the upscale features in the premium Newark location? Well, welcome to Pineview Singles. I think you're gonna love it here. Choose from Ryan Homes' most popular and spacious home designs, with all the upscale features you expect included. Look at this amazing island. It's perfect for everything from homework to formal entertaining. Each home in Pineview also includes a finished basement, flexible space for that playroom or gym. You can even add an extra bedroom or bath. Outside, charming craftsman details and a wooded setting create the perfect curb appeal. And best of all, lawn maintenance is included. So the community will look great and you can spend your time enjoying what you love. Living at Pineview puts you just 6 miles away from the University of Delaware and offers easy access to Routes 40 and 896. Enjoy tax-free shopping at Christiana Mall or make just a 5-minute drive to all the local grocery stores. Downtown Newark's popular restaurants and nightlife are right down the road. Meet friends at Stone Balloon Ale House, celebrate a special occasion at Taverna, or have Sunday brunch with the family at Deer Park Tavern. Take a short drive to Chesapeake City to enjoy the Chesapeake Inn or Schaefer's Canal House. The Bear Glasgow YMCA is just 5 minutes away, with a pool and activities for the whole family. And be sure to check out Glasgow Park, which offers a fenced-in dog park, paved trails, and a skate bowl, playground, and much more. Are you ready to move to Pineview? Call or visit ryanhomes.com to schedule an appointment. I can't wait to meet you.